welcome back to another video. So this is an exciting one. I had oh, look at the colour of this box. It's so greasy. It's not grease, it's cuticle oil. I had an email out of the blue from Madam Glam. Little old me, yes, Madam Glam, emailed me and asked me if I wanted to try some of their gel polishes, and I was like, yeah, of course. So it's arrived. This is it. I have had a peek. I have opened it because it came nearly a week ago and I couldn't help myself. I've never tried Madam Glam, so let's have a look at what they sent me. No, not let's have a look at what they sent me. I've already seen it. Let's show you. I love this packaging. Look, it's spongy and it's pink. Ooh. Right, so first they've sent me a soak off top coat gel. So these are 15ml bottles. They're huge. And they've sent me a base coat. Right, so this pink one, that's the colour there on the top, is called Rosy Nude. And then there's this pastel green one, which is called Early Bird. And then lastly, I say it is a purple, it's a pinky purple, isn't it? Vanilla Sky. And they've also sent me one of their little mini UV LED lamps. So this is one of them little ones that's just USB powered. And it is, I've not looked at this actually. Oh, look at it. I like that. Right, so it's got 6 little lights. And I've been told by a friend that these little lamps are very, very powerful. So I'm going to use that today. I'm not clicking them back in case I can't get them back out again. Yeah, so we're going to use that with the gels to see how that gets on. I thought, because it's only 3 colours, and I do like to see how they're going to be for, like, you know, like painting, gel painting, little flowers and stuff and ombres. So I thought, rather than just do a boring swatch video, as it is only 3 colours, I've got 4 tips out. These have all been buffed and ready, and not really do a design as such, kind of a design, but just do like an ombre, see how it is for an ombre, a couple of flowers, so I can see what it's like for freehand painting, because you know I like to do a lot of freehand painting. So what I'm going to start off by doing is, I'm going to give these, let me get my lamp and everything plugged in first. Right, so let's stick my little lamp there. So I'm going to start by just giving these tips a quick base coat. I have buffed them, but obviously I want to check it all out, so let's make sure my lamp's ready. Right, so let's have a sniff test, shall we? I can't help myself. I have to sniff everything. Yeah, it hasn't really got a smell. So should I bring you down a bit? Excuse me. So yeah, I'm just going to give all these a quick base coat. It's not a very thick base coat. It's not very thick at all, which is good if you're just having gel polish on your natural nails. You don't want a thick base coat really. And I'm going to cue this. I'm going to have to check actually. I don't know if it's 30 seconds or 60, but I will check and I'll stick it up on the screen. Does it say on the bottle? Yeah, yeah, 30 seconds. So I'm going to cure it in this little lamp for 30 seconds. I think I'm going to put this pink Rosy Nude on the 2 middle nails. I'll do a full cover of them. This is such a nice colour. Such a nice nude pink. So let's see how it goes on full cover. Oh, it looks very pigmented and opaque. It does. Very nice. I mean, everybody hypes up Madam Glam anyway, don't they? I do know a lot of the salons use it, so... But just because a lot of salons use it and there's a lot of hype about it, doesn't mean I'm going to like it. Do you know what I mean? But that's very nice. I like it. Right, and I think on this one, we'll give it a coat of the green, which is called Early Bird. They've cured beautifully as well. 1 coat. So, oh, this green's gorgeous. It's a little bit brighter than a pastel green, I'd say. But it's beautiful. I like that. I don't think I've actually got a green this colour. I've got a couple of pastels and mint greens, but not quite this colour, I don't think. Very pretty. Right, I'm going to get that cured as well. Right, this last one, I think we'll do a bit of an ombre using the pink and the purple. So I'm going to do the pink at the top. I'm going to do my ombre in 2 layers. Just thin layers. You don't want your layers too thick with an ombre. So I'm going to do pink at the top. And we'll do the purple at the bottom. This purple's beautiful. Ooh, look at that. Such a pretty colour. Such a pretty colour. Right, I'm going to try and do it with my ombre brush. I don't know why, I always miss the corners when I'm doing an ombre. Right, so I'm just going to give them a little mix to start with. I'm just getting used to using these ombre brushes again. I normally use my detailer brush, but I see so many people using ombre brushes and they make it look so easy. So I think it's a case of practice. So I'm just going to lightly, with the tip of the bristles on the brush, just stroke it side to side. You don't need to worry too much about your first coat. Your first coat on an ombre is never the best. Mine isn't anyway. And just keep blending them and blending them till you get a nice blend. Right, I think that'll do for my first coat. So I'm going to get that cured and I'll give it a second coat as well. Right, that's them all cured. I've wiped that tacky layer off. I'm going to use my Vanillisa matte top coat. Obviously I haven't got a Madam Glam matte top coat. So I'm just going to mat these out just so I can do some sort of design on them. Just these middle 2 nails, I think. We'll leave the outer 2 nails as they are. Right, so I've put some of the purple and some of the green on my palette, and I'm just going to do some kind of just kind of squares, and I think I'll use a black gel paint just to do a bit of foliage. Right guys, that's my little simple design done, nothing fancy. I just didn't want to do a boring swatch video, so we've got an ombre and a little bit of art. So I'm just going to give these a quick top coat now and finish them off. Bit boring, I know, but yeah, I just wanted to try them without just swatching them, if you know what I mean. But I really like them. I really like them. They were really easy to paint with. Really easy to paint with. Some gel polishes, when you paint with them, they're really transparent. But these weren't. They were really thick and creamy. So I think these are going to be really nice to paint with. Freehand, small detailed work like these little branches. Yeah, I do. I think I'm going to enjoy them. So I'll stick these in the lamp quickly, and then that'll be then finished. I'll show you what they look like on the swatch sticks as well, by themselves. So yeah, let's get them into cure. Right guys, that's my little design done. This top coat is not a no wipe top coat. I have had to wipe the tacky layer off with gel residue. But yeah, that's my little design done. I just didn't want to do boring swatches, so yeah, I wanted to put them to the test. But I really like them colours. I really like this green actually. So that's the colours swatched on their own. I really like them. I do. I love this pink nude. I love it. Before I go as well, I have got a 30% discount code off for Madam Glam. I can't remember it off the top of my head. I'll leave it up on the screen. It's 30% discount code. And I have just learned as well, I think it was Natalie Mugridge's video I've just watched. Madam Glam do a monthly VIP subscription where you have a monthly direct debit. I think it's $29. I think it works out about £20 in the UK. A month, £20 or $29. And that goes into store credit, and it allows you to get everything at 50% off. You can save that money up for as long as you want, or you can spend it monthly. And yeah, it gives you access to early things before they're released. I think you get access to things before they're released to the public. And yeah, so that £20 or $29 a month, it's not like dead money. You do get to spend it. You just, yeah, it's just a subscription, and it gets everything half price, which I think is brilliant for someone like, say there's 3 or 4 collections you want, because they are quite expensive. You could maybe subscribe for 3 or 4 months till you've collected all the ones that you want for 50% off, and then say adios kind of thing. Do you know what I mean? But if you don't want to subscribe and get that VIP 50% off, you can use my 30% off code, which I think's still a bloody bargain for these polishes. But anyway guys, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed my little boring design. If you did, please remember to give the video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, I'd really appreciate it if you would subscribe. I'm so close to getting to my 1,000. I'm getting excited. Hit that bell as well so you never miss an upload. And hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Take care. Bye.